Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these two CRM platforms called Pipedrive and Honeybook. So we're going to dive deep into the strengths, the weakness, and the pricing plan to help you make an informed decision in 2025 about these two CRM platforms. So to get started with the overview, Pipedrive is a sales-focused CRM designed for structured pipeline management, deals tracking, and automation. It's tailored for sales teams looking for streamlines and scale their sales process. Talking about Honeybook on the other side, it's a client flow management platform built for freelancers and service-based businesses. It combines CRM features with a proposal, contract, invoicing, and payment invoice tools in one easy-to-use system. Now, talking about the strength of Pipedrive, Pipedrive has a clear visual pipeline for tracking deals, workflow automation, reminder, and also have an advanced reporting and sales analytics. Talking about the weakness on the other side, it has no built-in invoice or contract. It's also not ideal for managing client project or sales delivery. It also requires integration for full business operation, and the pricing starts with 19.90 per user, which is monthly subscription. Now talking about the Honeyhook. So talking about the Honeyhook and its strength, it has all-in-one solution CRM invoicing, contract scheduling. It also comes with a great client communication. It also comes with a great client communication and onboarding tools. It also comes with a simple cleaning interface tailored for solo or small service business. Now talking about the weakness of this platform, which is Honeyhook, that's a limited pipeline or complex sales tracking. Also, not built for large sales teams or B2B workflow. It also has a limited customization to prepare for traditional CRM. And here's the pricing plan. Start with a $19 per month billed annually or 39 monthly user with a monthly billing. Now here's the very conclusion. Choose Pipedrive if you are managing a sales pipeline and need a details tracking automation and team collaboration tools. Also, you can also choose Honeyhook if you are a solo entrepreneur or a small service business needing a full client flow system from a proposal to payment. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.